Alright guys, today gonna be something different today. The Harbor Breeze Tahoe here, demonstration, like because my grandparents let me. Low. Ugh. That thing's a little bit high. I think this thing been on, bro. Okay, I could literally see that thing swaying back and forth. Let's just do medium. Last but not really least, high. I guess nothing really changes. That's strange. Then off. Do a spin down. Here's what the logo looks like. If you can see that thing, the thing on the left, that's the logo. So, yeah, that thing's swaying back and forth. Thanks for watching, I guess.